It is that time of the year, and we all know how we feel about it. We just want to cancel all our plans, stay indoor, sipping a cup of hot cocoa or tea under our blankets. And for me, that hot drink is this porridge. It's just warm, it just gives me this coziness to get me through the season. A sip of it, and you'll feel the warmness of the liquid just subsiding into your stomach and just feeling warm. To prepare this, I'm using millet. We usually pound them, but I'm using the blender to help me peel the millet. Just add a little bit of water and blend it. When the blending process is done, I'm just gonna separate the peelings from the millet itself. I'm just gonna spread it on this tin and make sure that I really separate them by doing this. I don't know what it's called, but blowing it really helps, like get the dust or whatever the peelings out. And afterward, I'm just gonna divide it into two different parts. So the little pot that I have, I just wash it and then put it in the boiling water that I put ginger and some other spice in there and just let it cook a bit. And then the other part, I also wash that part and then just blend that and put it in. While I'm pouring that, I'm just gonna mix to make sure that it doesn't sit in the bottom. Just mix it well and then just blend sour cream and plain yogurt together. But I didn't have plain yogurt, so I just used like milk, the sour kind from Walmart. Was it fermented? I think it's fermented. And just pour that and then add a little bit of sugar. I turn off the fire, squeeze a whole lemon and put it in there. Always make sure that you put the lemon at the end and not anywhere between, or it's gonna taste bitter. That's it. It's a very simple recipe. Maybe the hardest part is going to be finding millet, but that all depends on where you live. It shouldn't be that much of a problem. I hope you try it. Even if it's not for you, maybe for someone you care about. Um, when they're sick or someone give birth, it really helps with the healing process. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.